would have never thought in a million years that I would voluntarily film myself without makeup or hair done. Showing you how I build my natural nails with a builder in a bottle, as well as how I paint my nails with gel polish. So if you'd like to see that, then keep on watching. All right, so I'm going to start, I've already prepped my nails. I've done the cuticle removal and I've shaped my nails and dehydrated them. So now I'm gonna move on straight to the overlay. So I'm using the Gel Bottle BIAB product. This is in the shade Baby. It's a really lovely pink. And I'll show you the process of how I do this. What you'll also need if you wanted to do this as well is a liner brush. So I'm using the Gel Bottle liner brush. This is just the standard like striping brush. Also use a cleanup brush, and this just facilitates removing any product that has flooded into the cuticle, and you can just easily swipe it out. I'm using the Dixie product, the Dixie, what's this called? Dixie plates, sorry. It's the Dixie plates brand. And it's just a regular angled brush. You'll notice I do one finger at a time, applying enough product to build the nail, and then I'll put everything in place. I'll turn my finger upside down to really have the product pull away from the cuticle and build the apex naturally. And then I go in with my liner brush and just kind of place everything back where it's supposed to be. And then I'll pop it in the lamp to cure, to flash cure for about 20 seconds. And I'll do each finger like this individually. And then at the end, I'll pop the whole hand in for about 60 seconds cure. And in this clip, you will see that I get very close to my nails, so my head is in the shot. I don't think it would be a video of mine if my head didn't make an appearance in a shot. And at this point, I'll go in with my file and just finish file and refine the nails. If there's any bumps or any grooves, I'll refine them to make them smooth, and I'll be able to see if I need to put an additional amount of product on to make them more even and more structured. So on a few fingers, I noticed that I could have added a little bit more product to give it the proper structure I was looking for. So as you see here, I'm going in on just a few fingers, adding a little bit of product, and then going in with my liner brush just to smooth it out and add a little bit more in places that I need, and just to make sure that everything is nice and streamlined. Here I'm going in and dehydrating the tacky layer, and I'll go in and finish file the nails that I added a little bit more product to, just to make sure that they're smooth and not bumpy for polish application. And you'll see further in this clip that I'm also going in with my e-file and the Erica's ATA shiver bit, and I'm going into the corner of my ring finger on this hand where the product leaked a little bit underneath the cuticle and it was hard to get there with the file. And you'll be able to see how I do that in a little bit. Once that's done, I'm going in with my colors. So the colors I chose for this manicure from pinky to thumb is Audrey, Peach Shades, June, Pink Ribbon, and N032. These are all from the Gel Bottle ink collection. They're my favorite gel to use. And so those are the colors that I'm going in with. And I've sped this up just a little bit, but I've kept it slow enough for you to be able to see how I apply my polish. just because it is the most satisfying part of this whole thing. And once that's cured, I'm going to go in with my second coat of each color and cure it once again and move on to top coat. Now the inspiration picture I used for this set used matte top coat, so I'm using the Gel Bottle Ink matte top coat to finish this off. at this point, I would just put my cuticle oil on. This is the NAF Stuff Sleepy Mint and Eucalyptus Cuticle Oil. This is the desk version, so for pros only. And if I can open it, there we go. It smells so good, like so good. And I'm just going to dab it along the cuticle. And then with a random brush, I'm just going to place it where I want it to be because I do have matte top coat on. I don't want to ruin the finish. Not so much ruin because you can dehydrate it and it goes back to being matte. But just for now, I don't want to get any cuticle oil on the color right now. This is another reason that I like to use shiny top coat, is that adding the cuticle oil really just fills in the like it can go into the cuticle and you don't have to do all this. Doesn't really matter if you touch the nail plate, you know? Looks the same. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, definitely like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. I will be showing you how to build your natural nails with a builder gel. That's redundant.